Every day, millions of animal remains enter factories like this. But what happens next will shock you. Bones, fat, and skin don't go to waste, they are transformed into valuable industrial materials. This is the hidden industry that quietly supports soap, cosmetics, fuel, and more. Nothing here is wasted. Every part is processed, refined, and reused. Welcome inside the animal rendering factory. The process begins with carefully controlled delivery of animal byproducts from regulated facilities. Each material is separated and inspected before entering the processing line. Bones are crushed into smaller pieces to prepare them for thermal processing. Animal fat is slowly heated to extract usable oils under precise temperatures. Every step is monitored to ensure safety, efficiency, and maximum recovery. The materials now enter sealed rendering chambers designed to handle extreme heat and pressure. Inside these tanks, controlled boiling separates fat, moisture, and solid material. As temperatures rise, solid fat liquefies into usable oil. Proteins and solids begin to release from the mixture during extended rendering. Centrifuges spin the mixture at high speed to separate liquids from solids. The process creates three layers: oil, water, and protein solids. The extracted oil is transferred to storage tanks for further refinement. Remaining moisture is removed to stabilize the protein material. These solids are processed into stable industrial raw materials. Each batch is tested to ensure consistency, safety, and quality. The extracted oil is now transferred for further purification and refinement. Advanced filtration removes remaining particles and contaminants. Deodorization eliminates unwanted odors using heat and vacuum technology. The result is a stable, clarified oil ready for industrial use. Each batch is tested to meet strict quality standards. Meanwhile, protein solids are compressed into dense material for further processing. These solids are ground into fine protein meal. Sieving ensures uniform particle size and consistency. The meal is cooled and stabilized for safe storage and transport. Final testing confirms the protein meal is ready for industrial applications. Bones are processed separately to recover valuable minerals. High heat removes remaining moisture and organic material from the bones. Dried bones are crushed into manageable fragments. Grinding mills reduce the fragments into fine bone powder. Calcination purifies the material and enhances mineral concentration. Advanced systems isolate calcium and phosphorus-rich minerals. The refined bone meal is now ready for controlled applications. Mineral composition is carefully tested for quality and consistency. The finished product is prepared for packaging and distribution. Bone meal is stored under controlled conditions until shipment. Refined animal oils are widely used in industrial soap production. These oils also serve as key ingredients in creams, lotions, and cosmetics. Animal-based waxes are used in candles and specialty wax products. Some refined fats are converted into biodiesel and industrial fuel. They are also used to produce industrial lubricants and greases. Fatty acids extracted here support multiple chemical industries. Bone meal is widely used in fertilizer and soil conditioning. Animal-based ingredients also appear in industrial cleaning products. One factory quietly supplies raw materials to countless industries. This is the hidden journey behind products we use every day. Once processed, each product moves to automated packaging lines. Every package is labeled for traceability and regulatory compliance. Products are stored under controlled conditions to maintain stability. Pallets are prepared for transport using industrial handling systems. Shipments begin their journey through domestic logistics networks. Many products are exported to international markets worldwide. This factory supplies raw materials across multiple continents. Industries receive these materials to continue their own production. Efficiency and scale define modern animal rendering operations. But behind this efficiency lies a bigger question. From above, this looks like just another industrial facility. But inside, every hour, nothing is wasted. Rendering reduces waste and supports a more sustainable industrial cycle. The industry exists at the intersection of efficiency, responsibility, and regulation. By recycling animal byproducts, factories reduce environmental pressure elsewhere. Future rendering facilities will be cleaner, smarter, and more automated. What happens here affects industries around the world. And it quietly supports products we use every day. This is the unseen side of modern manufacturing. If this changed how you see everyday products, share your thoughts below.